How to change the text size on your MacBook. So there are multiple ways how you can do it. First way is to open your system settings. Now on the left go to displays, and here you can change the resolution. Now it's set to default. If you go to the left option, for example larger text, your text on your MacBook will be bigger, or you can just select the more space option and your text will be smaller. I cannot choose this option because it will shut down my screen recording, so you can do it on your own. And the second way how you can change your text size, go to your desktop, open view in your menu bar, click on show view options. You are now in this little desktop settings, and here you will find option text size. Now it's set to 12, and here you can change the text size. You have only these to choose. Number 16 is the bigger one, and the smallest one is the 10th. You can choose which number you want. Another quick tip, if you open your system settings and go to appearance, you can also change the text size of the left bar. If you go to appearance, here you will find sidebar icon size, and this is how you can change the text size of the sidebar. So these were 3 ways how you can change the text size. I hope you found it helpful. See you next time.